How to control Roku TV without remote. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how can you control Roku TV without remote. To control Roku TV without remote, you simply want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. To use a Roku player without the remote, you simply want to download the Roku app on your smartphone or tablet. Connect the device with the app to the same Wi-Fi network as your Roku player. Then you simply want to open the app and follow the on-screen instructions. So here's what you need to do is, first of all, when you launch to the home page, go ahead and click on the devices icon. And moving on, you click on the remote button. After which you'll be able to see this sort of interface. So here what you have to do is, these steps will work for anyone who's lost the Roku remote while at home. However, this won't work if you are at a hotel or you can't access the same Wi-Fi network than your Roku device was previously connected. Now then, you could go ahead and make sure to use it, and this is how it actually works. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.